Hey y'all, Chadwick Boyd here. The holidays are my favorite time of year to entertain, and I've brought you a few videos to introduce you to the Cosmic Crisp apple, which is available at grocery stores right now. So I've dehydrated these Cosmic Crisp apples at 200 degrees in the oven, and when they come out after 2 hours, they're beautiful and they're nice and concentrated, which really brings together that sweet and tart flavor that is germane to the Cosmic Crisp apple. I'm gonna put my Cosmic Crisp dried apples onto this charcuterie board, which is really an inverted plate. I've got a triple cream cheese that kind of looks like a Yule log and a really nice fresh goat cheese. The star, of course, of the plate is the Cosmic Crisp apple. Just take this sparkling salt and turn your charcuterie board into a winter wonderland. Just here and there with a little spoon. It's a really nice, elegant touch for the holidays. And caramel sauce. It's a really easy, smooth caramel sauce that is made with sparkling wine. Put a little bit more of the sparkling salt on top and then serve it with your charcuterie board. Of course, finish it off with a little bit more of fresh apple. To get all of these recipes for your holiday, go to cosmiccrisp.com. I wish you and your family a delicious and elegant holiday. Cheers, y'all.